Hi kids! Our lesson for today is about place values of a 3-digit number. This number is 123. Digit 1 is in the hundreds place, while digit 2 is in the tens place, and digit 3 is in the ones place. Ito ang tanong, how many hundreds are there in 123? The answer is 1. And here is the technique. Takpan ang lahat ng place values after the hundreds. Uulitin ko, dahil hinahanap ang hundreds, takpan ang lahat ng nasa kanan ng hundreds place. At ang natira ay 1. Ito ang tamang answer. Ito ang tanong. Kapag ang tanong naman ay what is the place value of digit 1, your answer will be hundreds. Ito ang tanong. At kung ang tanong naman ay what is the value of digit 1, your answer will be 100. Ito ang tanong. At kung ang tanong naman ay how many tens are there in 123? Same procedure, go to the tens place at takpan ang lahat ng place value sa kanan. Therefore, the answer is 12. There are 12 tens in 123. Ito ang tanong. If the question is, what is the place value of digit 2? Your answer will be, digit 2 is in the tens place. Ito ang tanong. And what is the value of digit 2? The answer will be 20. Ito ang tanong. Let's have another question. What is the value of digit 3? The answer is 3. If the question is, how many ones are there in 123? Obviously, the answer is 123. Ito ang tanong. Let's have another example. In the hundreds place, there is no value. On the tens place, we have 9 tens. And in the ones place, we have 1. Therefore, the number is 91. Ito ang tanong. How many tens are there? Just follow the same procedure. Cover all the place values at the right side of the tens place. Therefore, how many tens are there? The answer is 9. Ito ang tanong. How many ones are there? Obviously, the answer is 91. Sa mga magulang na interesadong mag-join sa aming program, search lang po sa FB IVFC Tutorials, Inquiry and Registration. Ito ay isang libreng serbisyo mula sa I Volunteer for Filipino Children.